Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel banner in using Canva. First of all, you have to go to then search Canva, then enter use Canva. Okay, so this is the Canva custom layout which you will see. So I have signed in, but if you are new here you have to log in from here. Then you have to type. Okay, you will see the search box. You have to type YouTube channel art, then enter. Okay, there are many layouts here, but you have to select a blank YouTube banner. Okay, this is how you will see, but sometimes you don't have the roller view. Okay, you just have to shift plus R in your keyboard, so you can see like this. So you have to just press shift plus R to bring the roller view, or file settings and show rollers and guides. Okay, that's it. First of all, click to the roller view, and downward the value will be 551. Okay, 556. Okay, 551. That's great. Now you have to pull another. The value will be 889. 879. Okay, 890. You have to 889. Okay, that's great. So this is the area will be visible to desktop computers, and we will have to create for mobile and tablet view. Sorry, and we have to bring another line from the left side of the screen. The value will be 663. Okay, great. 663. And another value will be 1898. 97. Okay, who can zoom? Then this will be easier. Okay, that's great. So this is the area visible to desktop computers, and the middle area will be visible to mobile phone and tablets. So let's begin designing. So you can design it according to your own choice, but there here is layouts also. You can use any layout you want. So I'm selecting these layouts. Okay, that's great. You can adjust it with you according to your own choice. So just remember, this area will be shown in desktop and the middle area will be shown in mobile phone. So you just have to make the circles smaller so that it is visible to every devices. That's it. And you will design according to your own choice. I'm just showing you how you can do this. That's it. Okay. Okay. Let me clear that I'm just showing the process. So if you upload this, your mobile phone users audience will be see this area, and the desktop users will be seen these areas, and the TV users, the people who use TV in viewing YouTube will see the full area. Now I'm showing how you can save this. Okay, then you have to click in share button, then you will be click download. The download button will be available. You have to click download again. Okay, so your design contains premium content. Okay, so I have selected a premium value. I will have to select a non-premium. So this is not premium. So I have shown the process, and I am showing the process of saving. Okay, now you can download. Okay, that's great. Okay, this is the premium section. I have to select another one. So I can delete delete. Okay, just delete the page. Okay, so this is the area, and okay, so here this should be downloaded. Okay, this is the function where you can download it, but just remember one thing: your content will be within this box and this box, so you can adjust it according to your needs. Okay, that's great. Technology review. Then you can make the picture. Technology review. Okay, looks good. So I've downloaded. Okay, let's download it again. Download. Okay. So this is the YouTube banner presented to you. You can upload in your YouTube channel, and this area will be shown to mobile phones, and this area will be shown to desktop, and the total banner will be shown in TV. So that's all about the banner creation, and you can upload it your own YouTube channel. And if you are having any problem, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you.